Welcome to the Mandarin Matrix Online Classroom student portal demonstration. In this short video, we will show you the key features of the student portal and how to maximize your learning experience. Once logged in, you're directed to the home page, which shows recently read books, books assigned by your teacher, and the full library. Each book includes story pages, exercises, and tests. On the story pages, there are images, Chinese text, audio, pinyin, and the last icon refers to what we call the global language setting. In our case, the global language setting is set to English, but this can be changed to another supported language, for example, Spanish. On all story pages, the audio can be read out and students have the chance to record themselves speaking, to practice their pronunciation and intonation, as can be seen here. Following story pages, students start the exercise section. Reading exercises are used to test vocabulary, memorization, character recognition, and reading comprehension through the use of image and character matching. Writing exercises are fully supported by animation demonstrating stroke order. The AI visual guidance helps students acquire Chinese writing structure and corrects mistakes automatically. This is to ensure that all students have the correct stroke order. Listening exercises are used to reinforce listening comprehension, and speaking exercises enable students to practice and improve pronunciation accuracy. The system automatically analyzes students' recordings and provides real-time feedback. Students are able to fine-tune pronunciation and intonation as they speak, while highlighting characters that require more practice. Once you've completed a book, you will be directed to the progress page. Students can see their performance on the progress page to identify their strengths and weaknesses. Students can redo completed books as many times as they want before the due date. Mandarin Matrix is a comprehensive learning solution and the best way to improve your language ability. Mandarin Matrix, Mandarin that clicks.